Hello and welcome. I am Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. And the question I want to talk about today is, do I have to pay all my taxes if I'm filing for citizenship? All right? And you might think yes, or you might really hope that you don't have to pay them all. Remember, when you're a permanent resident, when you are when you have your green card, you are supposed to comply with all federal laws, including the requirement to pay taxes, all right? Tax evasion is a crime, all right? And if you've been audited by the IRS, and if there's like a tax problem in your situation, or if there's potentially a tax dispute where they're saying you owe a certain amount and you're like, no, I actually don't owe that much, and maybe you have a accountant or something that's helping you with that dispute, then sometimes it looks like on record that you haven't paid all your taxes when maybe arguably you think that you have, all right? So in those types of instances, if you're applying for citizenship, it's true, let me back up one step, all right? In citizenship, you have to show that you're quote-unquote a person of good moral character, all right? And one of the pieces of the good moral character requirement is that you are paying your taxes, all right? And so you can't be completely avoiding your taxes, all right? Or they will deny your case. And they won't necessarily deport you, but they might just say, hey, you're not a person of good moral character, you're not eligible for citizenship right now, all right? So the best advice is, yes, pay your taxes, and then let's get you your citizenship, and then you won't have the issue to worry about. Or often our office has had cases approved where it's not necessarily that all of your taxes are paid off. It might be the case that you're in the process. You're in like a payment plan. You're in like an arrangement with the IRS, and we've got to show good faith efforts for making payments of, if you have a lot of like back taxes, for example, with the IRS, then in order to become a citizen, yes, you will want to start making payments towards that, and you'll want to be making a good faith effort to paying off whatever debts that you owe, all right? The same is true significantly, of alimony and child support. If you have a domestic support obligation, alimony or child support, to a spouse, to an ex-spouse, for the support of your children, you will want to be paying that at the time of your application for citizenship, or else you could be found to lack good moral character, all right? So I hope this was helpful. If you have questions about that, it can be kind of a sensitive area of the law, all right? And so if you have questions about that, please don't hesitate to contact my office. I'd love to walk you through it. I'd love to hear kind of what's going on in your situation and give you the best advice I can as to whether or not you should apply for citizenship now, whether or not you should take care of this issue first, whether or not you should wait a little bit before applying for citizenship, whatever the case might be. And yeah, these can be tricky cases, and so you'll definitely want to have an immigration lawyer who knows what they're doing to help you through the citizenship process if you have any of these issues, domestic support obligations, back taxes, things like that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.